Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by Cost Store Fixtures. Questions should be emailed to coststorefixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.42 Input, Finish, Base, Substrate, Side Right, Sheet Price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, location is base substrate, position is side right. Finish is a final coating or solid material on a component or part. The layout has a structure that can be identified. Side right is fourth in the sequence of component layout throughout the application. The sequence is always top, front, left side, right side, bottom, and back. When more than one side is involved, the sides are laid out in the same order. For example, if 4 sides are randomly listed, back, front, left side, and top, then in all tables, the sequence for those 4 sides is top, front, side left, and back. On the table's definitions and abbreviations sheet, Table 17, diagram of the cost workup sheet, demonstrates the structure. Row 743 is FINISH SBRT SIDE RIGHT OS SHEET, which is Finish Substrate, Side Right Outside Sheet. Enter $2.05 per square foot for plastic laminate in cell T743. When the price is entered in cell T743, the total material cost, $10.20, for that piece of material is calculated in cell X743. Do not change an item description in column K. Formulae in the application use column K descriptions. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.42 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.43.